Hi guys, this is Honor budget smartphone Honor X5 that is recently launched. Let's start with the unboxing. First thing that you find in the box is smartphone. Then there is another box in which you find SIM ejector tool and some documents. After that there is USB type A to type C cable. Then there is big USB type A charger and handfree is also available in the box. Let's talk about smartphone, but before that don't forget to subscribe the channel. Starting with the design, this yellow color is very amazing. At the bottom you will find Honor branding and overall it is made by the plastic. If you will go up on the top left side you will find a camera module. It is a single camera and below that you will find a flashlight. Overall weight of the smartphone is equal to 193 gram, that is average, but thickness is 8.9 mm, that is little bit high. But overall back design of smartphone is very good looking. Let's talk about Honor X5 display. You will find 6.5 inches HD resolution TFT LCD panel and here bezels are very thick. You will find 82% screen to body ratio, that is just average. So overall display according to the price it is value for money, you can say. Let's talk about Honor X5 performance. You will find Android 12 out of the box and it is a Go edition. With that you will find MediaTek Helio G25 chipset that is based on 12 nanometer technology and octa-core 2.0 GHz clock speed. With that you will find power graphics for game. About memory and RAM you will find only one option, that is 32 byte. There should be RAM 3 to 4 GB. 2 GB RAM is I think very less. Let's talk about Honor X5 camera. You will find single camera at the back that is 8 megapixel. With this camera you can do full HD video recording on 30 fps and at front you will find 5 megapixel selfie camera. With that you can also record full HD video recording on 30 fps and here you will find 5000 mAh battery that can easily run for 2-3 days. So overall smartphone is just average. You cannot say it is very value for money or you can say it is below the value for money, so it is just average. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe the channel.